These are none other than the ADIZERO DROPSET Pro Trainer. Now, before we get into the details of the tech, I want to take a moment and let's just appreciate these icy bottoms right here. Now, the shoe I wanted to compare them to is these right here, the ADIZERO SL2. I think I paid about $60 for these. They were on sale. You're gonna get the Light Strike Pro, which makes this shoe super duper responsive, especially for the price and what this shoe does. This is an all-in-one shoe. This hybrid does everything. You can definitely feel the difference. It's almost as if I have maybe half a centimeter more boost on this shoe than I do this one.